Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how to create an ad campaign in Meta Ads Manager. Meta Ads Manager is a tool provided by Meta that lets you create, manage, and monitor ads across all of Meta's platforms. Log into your company's Facebook account or the Meta Business Suite. Once you are logged in, click on Ads Manager. You will see the main dashboard where all your existing campaigns are listed. To create a new campaign, click the green Create button. After clicking Create, you will be taken to a page to choose your campaign objective. This is one of the most important steps. For this example, I am selecting Traffic and clicking Continue. Now you are on the Campaign Settings page. The first thing you need to do is name your campaign. Choose a clear, simple name so you can easily recognize it later. Next, review the campaign details, set your budget, and click Next. You are now at the Ad Set level. This is where you define who sees your ad and where it will appear. Start by naming your ad set. Under the Traffic section, choose where you want to send your audience. Set your ad's start and end dates. You can set location, age, gender, and detailed targeting options. Under Detailed Targeting, you can narrow your audience based on interests, behaviors, or demographics. Then click Next. Now you are at the ad level, where you design your creative. Name your ad, Next, choose your Facebook page and Instagram account. Now choose the ad format. You can pick from single image or video, carousel. For this example, let's choose single image or video. Then add website URL and choose Add Media. You can upload image and make sure that create the posters in different aspect ratio. Now you can add headline, primary text, description, and CTA. Finally, check the ad preview on the right side to ensure everything looks good across all placements. When you're ready, click Publish. Once your ad is approved, it will go live based on your schedule. To monitor performance later, return to the Ads Manager dashboard. You can click on the campaign name to view results like reach, impressions, clicks, and cost per result.